I'm Radek Vans, and in CKP I'm responsible for electronic. In my life I have a simple rule, and I am saying that everything is possible. So there are no boundaries, everything is possible, and it just you need to find the correct people which are pushing for the same target. And I can say that with CKP it's quite easy that everybody has the same target, and there are no problems, only we trying to find the solutions for new challenges. Some GPS system to help to the skiers and also to the boat drivers to improve their performance. So we develop fully the system, which is not only the GPS, but it also contains the special data logger inside, which we also create fully by our own with support of CKP. So we are able to log all the data or necessary data to improve and to give the proper feedback to the skiers and also to the boat drivers to make this sport much more easier for them. Not only for the beginners, but also for the professionals to really compare and follow what they are doing and where they still have the place for the improvement. For sure, I mean, as I'm coming from motorsport, where we are somehow used to analyze the data really precisely and to try to work with a lot of sensors on every part of the car to understand what the car is doing, how it's behaved, how we can improve. We can see that there is still open space in this sport because there is not such a system which we are now developing. So already when we put the GPS with some inertia unit on the ski, we can see how the ski behave in different part of the day, and we can also see that with different skier. And this is something which we can call it like closed box, which they didn't open because up to now there was nobody who tried to understand or tried to log how the skier behave and how the boat behave. So there is a big possibility to improve this part of the sport because this somehow we can say this technology is missing here. Process is same. So you need to define the sensors which you will use, you need to define the position, you need to define how we will log them and how we will analyze them. And for me this is doesn't matter if you have the car or if you have the skier or if you have tank in front of you. It's just every time there is some rules which you need to follow, and if you follow you will every time succeed and you will reach the target. So, and also generally, okay, I came from the motorsport, but the projects which I work in the past, they are really widely. So from the automatization, from the car industry, but also we did a lot of different things which are fully far away from any motorsport area. So thanks to this, we have quite a wide range of the application which we can every time use this knowledge also to the new projects which are coming, like for example this nautique ski. This application is quite specific because even everybody thinks that the racing cars are fast. This is not, I mean, they are fast, but in terms of the maximum speed. So for sure here the skier is not reaching 300 kph like Formula 1, but the acceleration from the corner when they are going around the slalom is much higher. So there is a really specific thing which we need to fulfill is that the acceleration of the skier is really high, and to fulfill that we are able to log data and to analyze the data in this term of conditions is really hard, and we need to implement something new which was not up to now, it was not used in the motorsport or in the projects which we know. So for sure what we develop and implement here we can bring to other parts, like for example to the motorsport, to mainly for some like go-karting, where also the acceleration around the corner is quite fast, and we can start to use this application also there.